Okay, hello guys. We have all the ingredients: onion, garlic,
bell
pepper, and vegetable. A lot of vegetables.
And of course, chicken.
Yeah. In secret ingredients, chicken.
And
Get ready for our lunch.
And our menu for today is nilagang manok.
Nilagang manok. And
We have salt with black pepper na yan.
salt with black pepper. Black pepper. This is just a black pepper.
Yan black pepper only.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get ready.
Okay, first the water. We put the chicken, and the next one will be the vegetables.
Hahatiin lang natin, 4 lang, kasi yung dalawang matitira is ipa-fry. Siyempre, aalisin natin yung mga bula kasi yan yung dumi. Dumi galing sa chicken.
Okay, we will put the tamanegi. And there, it smells really nice.
Tamanegi and garlic.
Yeah, garlic.
Bell pepper.
Okay, our next is bell pepper.
Alternative para sa siling labuyo. Kasi wala akong nabiling siling labuyo. So, bell pepper na lang. Para maglasa lang yung bell pepper. Diba? Okay.
It looks like sinigang.
Gulay na mix. So, yan yung mga favorite na gulay ni Mario. Kaya, yan ang nilagay ko. Okay, so, tatakpan lang natin. And then, okay na. Okay, dekiagari. Oshiwayo. This is our menu for today. It's nilagang manok. Ayan. Dahil nakikrave na kami sa mga Philippine food. So, yan yung request ni Mariko.